Back to another video. Today we going to solve the hard level question from the SQL series, and so this is the question, the find category recommendation pairs. Okay, so this is hard level question, so make sure when you attempt this question, understand each condition and then write down condition wise. Okay, so let's see what it gives us. So we have two table, the product purchase and the product info. Okay, and what the question is ask, like the Amazon wants to understand shopping patterns across product categories. Write a solution to find all the category pair where the category 1 is less than category 2. So this is the first condition we have, and the second condition is for each category pair determine the number of unique customers who purchased product from both category. Okay, this is the another condition, and a category pair is considered reportable if at least 3 different customers have purchased products from the both categories. So the customer will be different and unique, at least 3. Okay, so this is some order by condition, so we will see it later. And let's see the test case we have. So input table, the product purchases, we have user ID, product ID and the quantity. Okay, so like which user bought which product ID at what quantity. Okay, and then product info table, we have the product ID, like the product ID and the which category does the product is line and the price as well. Okay, and the output they want in this form, like the category 1, category 2 and the customer count. Okay, if you see here, like the category 1 is less than category 2. Okay, so very first thing we have to first like extract the user ID, product ID, quantity with the category. Okay, like the product ID belong to which category. Okay, so we have to join this product purchase table to the product info table based on the product ID. Okay, simple. So select user, like the asterisk comma category from the product purchases, and making this alias as P, join the product info P1 on what basis, on P dot product ID equal to P1 dot product ID. Simple. And here we want everything from the product purchase table, so P dot asterisk and category from the product info table. Okay, so here P1 dot category. Perfect. Now run this and let's see, are we getting the required output or not. Okay, like the user ID, product ID, quantity with the category. Okay, so perfect, like it gives us the desired output we want, like the product ID belong to which category. Okay, so I am making this table as a temporary table, so with CTEs this temporary table, like I name this user ID, product ID, quantity and the category table as a CTE. Okay, so now our target is to apply the condition. Okay, like the category pair where the category 1 is less than category 2. Okay, so we have to like self join this temporary table based on the user ID and the category where the category 1 is less than category 2. Okay, so find select the category comma another category comma count distinct user ID as the customer count. Okay, from which table? From the CTE alias as C. Join the CTE CU1. Okay, on what basis? On the user ID equal to C1 dot user ID, and the condition is C1 dot category less than the C1 dot category. Perfect. So I think you understand this, what I am trying to do here. So C1 dot category, and from we apply our condition here also, like join this self join on basis of user ID and where the category 1 is less than category, like the C dot category is less than C1 dot category. Perfect. So and we have to group by the C1 C dot category and the C1 dot category, because we are using aggregate function here like count, so we have to group by these both column. Okay, and the condition, another condition is having the distinct user ID should be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so this should be greater than or equal to 3, and like the order by the customer count in descending order, and like the category 1 ascending order lexicographically, and then category 2. So same thing, so like C dot category and the C1 dot category both in ascending order. Okay, so now run this and let's see, are we getting our output or not. Okay, what we miss here? User ID. Okay, like C dot user ID. Here also C dot user ID. Now run this. Customer count. Where we miss customer? Okay, we write the customer ID here. Okay, now run this. What we miss here? Like, okay, category 1 and category 2. So this as category 1, this as category 2. Okay, so perfect. And if you observe, okay, so very simply we make this very simple. Like first we get the each product ID, their category, and then self join the temporary table and applying our condition. Okay, like having count and the this category is less than category 2. Okay, but one thing we are miss here. Okay, like when we join this, there should be some case. Let's submit this. If this run, that there is no need to do anything. Okay, fine, this is working. Okay, so this is very interesting question. If you see, like this is hard question, but we make this very simple. But there is nothing like all the different hard question is the same level. They have some different level. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, and next video is going to be very good. Like we solve the very best question where our mind should think like, how is this happen. Okay, we have to dry run all the question code or the query, then only we find that exactly how the workflow and the query flow, like the exactly how the query is working. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.